Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to record in story mode on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any of the social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So story mode is a new recording mode on TikTok, and it is now in the recording screen of the TikTok app. So let me show you how to get this story mode on TikTok. So before you begin, you want to first go to your Play Store and make sure you update your TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've done that, go ahead and open the app. Next, you want to tap on the plus sign here at the bottom. And now this will take you into the TikTok's recording screen. Here at the bottom, just above the shutter button, you'll notice a story. So this is the new story mode for TikTok. So when using the new feature, the camera basically zooms out and changes to a smaller ratio, so the recording no longer fills the whole screen. So there's also an option to record with both the front and the back camera, just like the app called BeReal, and they both appear on the same screen. So as the name suggests, the feature is designed to be used to post stories on TikTok, but also can be used on normal videos. So this is currently trending on TikTok, and many users are claiming that it makes their video look more clearer and more appealing than the normal modes here. So to use it, you want to go ahead and make sure story mode is selected. Go ahead and tap the record button, record your video. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and add your sound, text, stickers, or any effects. And from the bottom here, you can basically select who you want that story to be viewed by. So currently by default, it is everyone, but you can have your friends or only you. Down below here, you can set if you want to allow comments or not. And once you're happy, you can go ahead and tap the tick button, and that will post the story to your TikTok account. And there you go, that is how to record in story mode on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.